Your eyelashes are basically the curtains for your soul, and lately everyone is obsessed with making those curtains reach the ceiling. I finally got my hands on that viral pink tube everyone has been screaming about on social media. It is the one that promised to send your lashes into the stratosphere without making your bank account cry. I was honestly skeptical. Usually, when a drugstore product goes this viral, it is mostly just clever lighting and paid reviews. But I gave it a shot. The first thing you notice is the weight. It is surprisingly light on the eyes. Many lengthening formulas feel like you are gluing tiny lead weights to your eyelids. This one stays airy. It feels like you are wearing nothing at all. That is a huge plus for anyone who hates that stiff, crunchy sensation that usually hits by lunchtime. The lift is the real star of the show. It genuinely pulls those tiny hairs upward. It creates this wide-eyed, awake look that usually requires a lash curler and a lot of patience. One coat gives you a very clean, professional vibe. It is great for a Tuesday morning meeting. But the cool part is how it builds. You can go back for a second or third pass. It does not turn into a clumpy mess. It just keeps adding more and more length. However, we have to address the elephant in the room. That wand is a trip. It is made of this very flexible plastic. It bends and moves in ways that feel a bit chaotic when you first pull it out. If you're used to a solid traditional brush, you're going to find it awkward. It takes a steady hand. You have to learn how to guide it instead of forcing it. Once you get the rhythm, it is great for getting into those tiny corners. But let's be honest about the results. This is a lengthening mascara through and through. If you are looking for that thick, chunky, heavy volume that looks like a strip lash, you are looking in the wrong place. This formula is about separation and height. It makes your lashes look long and fluttery like a butterfly wing. It does not make them look dense. If you have very thin lashes and want them to look thick, this might leave you feeling a little underwhelmed. It is a specific aesthetic. It is refined. It is elegant. It is not necessarily bold or dramatic in terms of thickness. Also, a word of warning about the standard version. It is not a fan of moisture. If you are someone who gets a bit sweaty or lives in a humid climate, be careful. I noticed a bit of smudging toward the end of a long day. It is not a deal breaker for the price, but it is something to keep in mind. You might want to opt for the waterproof version if you have oily skin. Despite those little quirks, it is easy to see why the hype train left the station. For the price of a few lattes, you get a product that rivals the high-end brands. It is accessible. It is effective. It makes you feel a little more put together with just a few swipes. If you want that sky-high reach and a natural feathery finish, this pink tube is a must-try. Just go in with realistic expectations about the volume. It is a tool for length, not a magic wand for thickness. It is one of those rare moments where the internet might actually be right about a budget find. It delivers on the promise of height. It delivers on the promise of comfort. It just asks for a little bit of practice with that wiggly wand. It really makes you wonder why we ever paid triple the price for luxury brands when the local pharmacy has this waiting on the shelf. The packaging is sleek and has that raised lettering that feels premium in your hand. Even the clicking sound it makes when you close it feels satisfying. It is those little details that make a product feel more expensive than it actually is. You can toss it in your bag and not worry about it leaking or breaking. It is sturdy. It is reliable. And most importantly, it makes those lashes look like they could touch the stars.